Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower. First, tie the wool firmly on the fork. Then wrap around 12 times. Watch closely to see the way I'm wrapping it. You can see I'm making a design from the first tip of the fork. At this point, pass the needle under the first tip of the fork to secure that part. And after that, pass it again to the other end to secure the second part. When you are done with all of that, pull the design out from the fork. And then make it 5 pieces and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Attach a medium-sized bead at the middle of the design to make a beautiful woolen flower. Thanks so much for watching, and I see you all in my next one. Bye.